This is Buena Vista and TV32, a commercial and television broadcasting station, free and operated by Disney Sea Broadcasting Network Air National Airport, with license number BST 02288-2010, RAM 1266. Disney Sea transmitter is located until Network Air National Mahalikay Highway, MGT and Quezon City. Disney Sea Studio Complex is located until Quirino Highway. Network station Airbus Simulation Channel 32 Palawan. Disney Sea authorized by my transmitter and control kilowatts. Disney Sea Engineering is headed by Albert E. Santubergan, PEC number 0967-45321. Disney Sea Broadcasting Service Infor Network Regular Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. All network free, powered by Disney Network, Disney Club, Disney Nature, and Disney CEO. Buy the simulator news and movie version free buy in satellite with free international stations worldwide. All free international airport and Disney program in by telephone operators. Memang untuk Bedar Nature Studio by Disney CEO Networks. All to network program will telecast in version and for to Disney CEO stations, Tulawag, Baguio, Kawayan, Tatiklan, and Calibo. This is Airbus Simulation Networks, the Fever Unit's largest network, is now signing off.